The positive takeaway from yesterday's trade was that Nifty after a higher open stayed bullish through the close. The good news is that Nifty retakes to 2500. That brings us to our call of the day, which suggests that Nifty above 22,500 could be a turning point in favor of the bulls. Yes, there is a bright possibility that the rebound could last. The positive catalysts. 1. The recent US PPI and CPI data have signaled cooling price pressures in February, giving the Federal Reserve more room to cut rates. 2. Gold flirting with its psychological $3,000 per ounce milestone is a proof of rising expectations of Federal Reserve rate cuts. 3. India's retail inflation, the Consumer Price Index, CPI, too has cooled towards 3.61% in the month of February as compared to 5.09% reported in the year-ago period. Well, the data shall encourage the RBI's MPC to slash 25 BPS repo rate cut in the April review meeting to boost GDP growth. 4. China unveiled a special action plan aimed at reviving its domestic consumption. 5. China's industrial growth to beat market forecast expanded by 5.9% YoY in January to February 2025 combined, faster than market forecasts of a 5.3% rise. 6. WTI oil prices still sluggish near $67.30 a barrel. 7. India VIX still hovering at 13.41 area. Long story short, we expect bullish consolidation to be the preferred theme until 2nd April, as on this date plenty of new tariffs are expected to become effective. Hopefully, negotiations which are taking place turns out to be a win-win situation for all. Market trends. Global cues are positive. In Monday's session, FIIs turned out to be net sellers to the tune of Rs 4488 crores, while DIIs net bought shares to the tune of Rs 6001 crores. Sentiments are likely to be bullish. Market breadth for the day is likely to be positive. Nifty's technicals are suggesting oversold conditions on the daily charts. FANO March month data suggests the trading range for Nifty is likely to be between 21,400 to 23,000 zone. India VIX, the fear index is hovering near 13.41 levels. At last check, USD INR, 26th March expiry, has slipped near 86.87. Nifty PCR, 27th March, is at 0.98 levels. Bank Nifty PCR, 27th March, is at 1.03. Nifty outlook, bullish day out. Bulls may aim to shrug off any pessimism for the day. Nifty, CMP to 2509. Biggest make-or-break support on Nifty is placed only at 22,227 mark. Immediate intraday resistance is placed only at 22,689 mark. Range for the day is likely to be between 22,400 and 2650. Bias for the day is bullish. Bank Nifty, CMP 48354. Bank Nifty's downside risk now seen at 47,700 mark. Bank Nifty's biggest intraday resistance is now at 48,700 mark. Bank Nifty's range of day is likely to be between 48,000 and 49100. Bias for the day is bullish. This week, all eyes will be on the FOMC outcome, to be wired on Wednesday, 19th March. The Fed is widely expected to maintain status quo amidst a cautious stance for CY 2025. The street will also keep a close eye on the FII's activity as they have net sold shares worth Rs 25,717 crores for March. Amongst stock-specific action. 1. Ola Electric Mobility plunged 7% in yesterday's trade to hit a record low after the company disclosed that one of its units faced an insolvency petition. Rosmeta Digital Services, a vehicle registration service provider and a creditor of Ola Electric Technologies, filed a petition against the unit alleging default in payments. 2. LTI Mindtree shares fell 2.4% as Citigroup plans to slash external IT contractors to 20% from 50%. Please note, Citibank is one of the top clients for LTI Mindtree. Citigroup is planning to reduce external dependence and increase its internal resources as US President Donald Trump continues to promote the America First policy and impose harsh tariffs on imports. 3. Tata Motors, Maruti to raise commercial vehicle, CV, and passenger vehicle, PV, prices from April on rising costs. Tata Motors announced a price increase of up to 2% across its commercial vehicle range, effective 1st April 2025.